What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP. Yes, it has hit a green candle guys. Again, nothing major. It is only about 5% up in the last 24 hours. However, we can see the crypto market slowly starting to recover, with Bitcoin up to $93,000 right now. So again, it hasn't recovered fully. It is nowhere near recovered. However, the good sign is that it's going for a slow recovery, which is exactly what we want to see. So we're looking at what is next for AMP, looking at can it essentially head up higher than where it is at the moment for the rest of the week going into December, or is it likely to hit more red candles and so on and so on, and as well as covering early 2025. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also guys, if you're new to the channel, again, there will be a 100,000 subscriber giveaway as soon as I hit 100,000 subscribers. So if you guys do want to take part, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And just a little disclaimer, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the daily chart for AMP, we can see the RSI here is currently at 62.12, which is pretty good. It's on target, performing like it's meant to. It's not overvalued or undervalued. And at the top, exact same guys, the value of AMP is within the Bollinger Band, within the average and the upper band here. So it is again on target guys. It is not expected to drop down any further. Earlier in the week, yes, it did head out of the Bollinger Band, and that is when I warned you guys, do expect a slight price correction to come through, and that's what's happened. And then it pumped up again over the last 2 to 3 days. It did head slightly over the Bollinger Band, and I told you guys again, do expect it to take a step back down in value. That's what's happened, and right now it is slowly starting to recover. So we should be on the way up to this red figure, getting close to that. I know it's not a major increase in value, but the sign is that it's going through a slow and steady recovery. So I'm expecting more green candles over the coming days, and not just for AMP, but for majority of the cryptocurrencies as well. And over here, we have the DEMA chart, or the DEMA indicator, shall I say, in green, the figure at the top, which gives us the average value that the graph is expecting AMP to be trading at according to the current market. And yes, it is pretty much on target, performing like it's meant to. So at the moment, there is nothing to worry about. No drops are expected at the moment, but AMP is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So if such thing are expected or predicted, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel to get regular updates. So now let's zoom in into the 4-hour chart going into December. What can we expect? Again, we did have a huge peak here earlier on in mid-November. However, that is the highest figure it has been so far in the last couple of months, and the lowest figure at the moment is just about this figure here. So as you guys can see, yes, it's been quite volatile. However, when we had a steep incline in value, what ended up happening is it literally just dropped back down in value, and ever since then it has been performing quite well with very minimal increases and decreases. It's been quite smooth. The lines, as you guys can see, is hit the red line, is expected to pump up a little bit higher before taking a dip down potentially early to first week of December, before it again shoots back up in value, is what my predictions are at the moment. And I'm also expecting Bitcoin to shoot up in value in the second week of, so mid-December. I'm expecting it to head over $100,000, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market, including AMP. We should get closer to 0.007 cents in value is what my expectations are at the moment. But even though the crypto market has been volatile with drops and so on since early November all the way up until now, it has been a steep incline, well, not steep, but an incline in value over the last 3 to 4 weeks guys, which is what we want to see. Yes, dips are part of the process as well as peaks, but as long as the overall outcome gives us an incline in value, we are good to go. So if we bring out the MACD indicator here at the bottom, we can see that the blue line is looking quite bullish. However, it is still below the signal line here, meaning yes, it is likely to hit red candles in between, but the overall outcome is likely to be more on the bullish side, which is again what we want to see. So far so good for AMP over the next couple of days and weeks. And also going into January 2025, I'm expecting AMP to get very close to the 1 cent target, potentially even hitting it in early December. Yes, a few people have said it is likely to hit 10 cents by the end of December when it was pumping up in value. However, that is not true, and I'm not expecting that to take place, because if that does take place, then we seriously need to get worried, because that is not sustainable. So that is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. Overall, it is still 12% up over the week, and the trading volume has been quite volatile, up and down, and at the moment it is at $17.3 million. And I'm going to end the video here, guys. Let me know your thoughts, your predictions on AMP for the rest of the year and early next year. Before you click off the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join the giveaway, and make sure to like the video, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.